Hi everyone, so today I'll be demonstrating how to draft some people call it Mandarin, Chinese, bishop, standing color, anyhow you want to put it. Yeah, but I'm just gonna you know draft that. So I have a shirt that I am making. So if I measure through the neck, I'm gonna have like 19 inches. I have 19 inches. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is to divide that into two. And when you divide 19 into 2, 19 into 2, then you have 9.5. So I'm just going to measure 9.5 here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to, draw a straight line. So I'm using what we call a collar stay. So I'm using a fabric fusible interfacing, and it is what we call a collar stay. So I'm just going to draw a straight line, and this is not the regular pen like the biro. This is a fabric marker. It actually has a case, but I just prefer using it like this. So this is it. So that's just by the way. So when you apply it on this marker, then the line disappears. So back to what we were saying. So 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. So I'm just going to do that. Yeah. And for my back, I did 3.5 by 1. So I'm just going to do 3.5. Yeah. Then it also, you need to determine the weight of your collar. You may decide to do 1.5, 1/4, 1, 2, depending on how high you want your collar to be. But I think I'll do 1. Yeah, I think I should do, I'll do 1. I don't want it to be too high, so I think I'm just good 1. 1. That one. So I'll just draw that straight again. So marking the 3.5, initial 3.5 and 9.5. So from there, I'll just draw a horizontal line just to connect this together. And so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come up by 1.5 here. Let me extend this line further because I'm going to need it. So I'm going to come up by 0.5 here, and also come up by 0.5 here. The collar is not going to be straight because our neck is not straight, so it's going to be curved. So from here, I'm just going to join this to this. Then you do the same thing to this point also. Then I love the egg to be curved. Then you can just try and use this tip just to make something curved like this, and voila, that's it. It's just as simple as that. Then we cut this out. So I'm just gonna use this to cut this out. So I'm just gonna trace carefully. And remember that this fabric is on fold, right? It's on fold. So by the time you open it up, it's going to be a straight collar. Then this. Yep. So our collar is ready. That's it. So I'm going to iron this on the fabric I'll be using then. Yeah, so this is just how to draft a Mandarin, a bishop, a Chinese collar. Thank you.